Now, your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News.
Today, the funeral will be held for legendary former Chrysler executive Lee Iacocca. It's taking place at St. Hugo of the Hills in Bloomfield Hills at 11 o'clock. And then afterwards, Iacocca will be laid to rest at the Whitechapel Cemetery in Troy. On Tuesday, many people came out to pay their final respects during visitation in Clawson. Iacocca started his career with Ford before moving to Chrysler, where he's credited with saving the automaker from bankruptcy in the 80s. The move saved thousands of jobs. Lee Iacocca passed away on July 2nd. He was 94 years old.
Well, thousands of kids from all across Metro Detroit will head down to Belle Isle today for Metro Detroit Youth Day.
The annual event brings together nearly 40,000 kids, volunteers, and community leaders. And this year there will be more than a dozen local colleges and more than 100 exhibits and activities.
Youth Day kicks off at 8:30 this morning and runs until 2:30. It's the area's largest single-day youth event. There'll be plenty of activities and workshops for all the kids to take part in.
A fairly comfortable start on this Wednesday, but our humidity will be creeping up throughout the day today. 65 degrees at Metro Airport, also in Troy, 65 in Mount Clemens, and a little bit cooler in Pontiac at 61 degrees, even upper 50s in Ann Arbor at this point. Looking at some high clouds, but again, a very dry start this morning. You can see the remnants of some of these showers and storms pulling across Lake Michigan. This is all out ahead of a warm front, so that warm front heats us up, brings in the humidity, and a chance for an isolated shower or storm. And if any storm does pop, it does have the potential to be strong to possibly severe, but again, it does look like that chance remains isolated. Temperatures right around 90 again for a high today. How long the big heat lasts in your 7-day.
These have been your latest headlines and 7 First Alert forecast from 7 Action News.